Hi, this is Ashley for Tech Diets and Shiny, and today we're looking at Majoobi, which is a very exciting new toy for anyone who's a blogger or an indie publisher, because what it does, it enables you to create your own iPhone app or app for Android or any other phone system using HTML5. It's a really basic interface. So join us now as we create the iPhone app for Who Ate All the Pies, which is one of the biggest British football blogs, or biggest in the world. Thing you do, you go to majoobi.com and then you go to create your own iPhone app, and we're here now. And you know, just like Nigella, I've done a bit of the work already. So I put in the name and I put in an image which is going to appear on the page. You then come down to here and then you choose what you want to add. So we're going to add some content, which is the RSS feed of Who Ate All the Pies. So I've grabbed that earlier, so I just press save and update, and that's already added. So you can see that's kind of what it looks like over there. You can also add specific pages, you know, that's a video. So if you go to youtube.com and have video, images, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Maps even. So with Twitter, let's go to Twitter, type in the username, which is, so that's now added. So we'll see the Twitter page coming up fairly soon. Then we choose what colour. Pies is normally a bit green. That's a bit too green. So maybe we'll just go something like that. And wait for it to render. And in the meantime, there we go. I've done a little bit of copy here about Who Ate All the Pies, which is, you know, basically going to appear later. So next thing I do is press save application details and continue. The next thing you do is then you actually create your account. So it's basically putting in username, email and password, all the usual stuff. Then you choose the app's address. There are different ways you can kind of pay for the app or have the app. There's a free service. Downside is the limit, as you can see, is only 25,000 impressions per month. There are also other things that kind of change, but you know, as you can see, you can get much more impressions and, you know, kind of much more flashy things. What I've done now is I've got that here. I'm going to now press save, and I think we're pretty much ready to go with the app. Now we're at the web page. What you do is you take the link that it gives you and you type that into your iPhone, or it works with an Android phone as well. It'll work in the future with Blackberries, Nokia phones, etc. Then the magic bit is you press the button there, the plus button, and then add to home screen, press that. Hang on, I just changed that to make that pies. Okay, and that's done. Press add. Okay. And you can see my other embarrassing iPhone apps, Hairstyle Light, which is obviously fantastic. And there we have it, look, Who Ate All the Pies, that's the app. Click on there. At the moment, as I said, I haven't actually created an image to go on, but you can actually customise the image that appears on your iPhone app. For your iPhone app, appears on the iPhone. It does take a couple of seconds to get going, which hopefully they'll speed up in the future. But here we are, we're on the Who Ate All the Pies iPhone app. Now at the moment, as I said, we've only got two things on there. One is the articles, so that's kind of latest issues. So you can see, you just click on one and you get, you know, your pretty much standard version of what RSS looks like. The other thing we've got here is Twitter, which should in theory kind of take us to any kind of discussions around Pies Twitter feed. But as I said, we could have added YouTube, could have added images. In the future, they're going to actually let you add other stuff as well, so you can create your own bespoke pages, so you can add your own special content. So as I said, it kind of works on everything. The company are adamant that Apple are cool with this because it uses HTML5 technology, so there's not an issue there. Just think it's really lots of fun. There's going to be a few issues, I think, going forward. I think that, you know, they need to make it a little bit more flexible, and also they need to work out how indie publishers and bloggers can monetize this stuff as well. However, I think it's great.